Welcome to King J Talk Show. Today I want to talk to you 6 investment opportunities in 2023. You hear me right. 6 real estate investment opportunities in 2023. Are you ready? Okay. Number 1, new homes. So right now, the builder has a lot of new homes inventory for sale. They don't want to keep it. They don't want to keep them and pay high interest rate on their mortgage payment. So they are very motivated to sell their new home with a lot of incentives and with reduced price. And they are very friendly to deal with right now. So it is your chance, your opportunity to negotiate a good deal with the builder. It doesn't matter you are buying the first time home buyer, you are buying primary resident, you buying the second home, or you buying for investment. It is a good time to negotiate a good deal with builders around the country. Opportunity number 2, buy down program. Lenders are currently offer 3-2-1 buy down program or 2-1-0 rate buy down program. So with 3-2-1 buy down, you get 3% rate less than the normal rate, less than the permanent rate for the first year, and you got 2% less than the permanent rate on the second year, and 1% less than the permanent rate on the third year. And with like a 2-1-0 buy down program, you get 2% less interest rate on the first year and 1% less interest rate on the second year. That help you reduce your monthly payment tremendously while the interest rate is still high. But with that temporary buy down, you get a lower rate and coupled with a lower price. So you got a good deal. Opportunity number 3, wraparound mortgage. In recent years, people bought homes or they refinance their properties, and they got a rate is very low, especially rate before April 2022. So let's say if they get the rate of 3% on their house, and their mortgage has a wraparound clause allowing the future buyer to take over the mortgage with the same terms and condition. So let's say the rate was 3% and now you buying that house, you got 3% if you are qualified. So you may be able to qualify for lower and in some case much lower interest rate for the homes with wraparound mortgage option. Opportunity number 4, fixer uppers. Properties that need repair. Number 1, buyers are leaving the market. So you don't have a lot of competition when you buy cash. Number 2, the market, because the market is still slow. Many people are fearful. So they don't want to, so not many people out there to compete with you. Number 3, many tenants got evicted and they abandoned the house or they trashed the house. But you just need to clean up the house. So that is why fixer uppers are another opportunities in 2023. Opportunity number 5, under market value. Many people need to sell their house as soon as possible. So in the slow market, they are very motivated to lower the price for quicker closing. And then we are able to identify through the MLS search and special program for professionals. We are able to search for listings that are about 10 to 20% under market value compared to the fair market price that is determined by certain valuation models. So we use a certain models to computer model to identify and to estimate the market price, and we compare with the listed price. So we can query out and we can pull out those listings that are about 10-20% under the market value. Opportunity number 6 is 3D homes. We don't see many 3D homes on the market, but right now we have a 3D home builder in Arizona, and we also have 3D home builders in Texas and California and some other places. Not many like a traditional builder, but the 3D home builders, they build home with less cost. So for example, like in Arizona, Casa Grande right now, we have builders that build 3D printed homes about, between like 14 to 1900 square foot, and the price going somewhere from 250,000 to 300,000. So very affordable and with better qualities. We went inside a 3D house. It looked like a traditional house, but the wall is almost double the thickness, and it is water resistant, mold resistant, storm resistant, flood resistant, and it built to last for a long time. We don't have an exact number yet because it's still new, but it is good feeling and very solid and strong. So with 3D homes coming into the market, you can enjoy the lower price and better quality. So that is 6 investment opportunity in real estate that I want to share with you. In the next video, I will talk, in the next several videos, I will talk on each opportunity in details, so you can understand the detail and how to take advantage of each opportunities in this 2023 real estate market. I see you soon.